We have actual gains to talk about. We're alpha here. We don't even get out of bed for less than an 80% gain on a coin. So let's talk about these coins. So we've been covering these the last few weeks. And the fact that all the corporations, Microsoft, Facebook, and everybody's getting in the metaverse really makes gaming crypto a lot safer than it was before. Before, we were really loading up for the point when the metaverse starts occurring and all the corporations and businesses and the whole entire world starts getting into this. Look, the market cap of all of crypto gaming is less than the market cap of SHIB coin at this time, I believe. SHIB has a market cap of 35 billion. The entire gaming crypto has a market cap of around 30, it's maybe 40 if you find the coins that aren't listed on CoinMarketCap. This is going to be the biggest industry in the world, okay? It is going to be bigger than Tesla. It's going to be bigger than 5 Teslas because it's going to be an entire industry to itself. It's going to be like Ready Player One. And so we are still insanely early on this, but we were insanely early before, like stupidly early. Now we're like just pretty early because we were waiting for all these corporations, waiting for all these businesses to start getting in, and now they are.